Welcome to the South Dakota School of Mines. We're an engineering, science, and technology university located in Rapid City at the foot of the beautiful Black Hills. Right now I'm in the admissions office where all campus tours get started. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi, my name is Claudia Moise. I'm a second-year chemical engineering student from Omaha, Nebraska, and a student ambassador here at South Dakota Mines. Right now we're in the music center. We have concert bands, jazz bands, a student-run pep band that plays at different sporting events. We also have orchestras and choirs. It's up to you if you want to join the audition ensembles and if you want to take the class for credit or not. Now we're in the Paleontology Research Lab. This building provides a safe and environmentally controlled home for over 500,000 different specimens, some of which will later find their way to our Museum of Geology. Here in the King Center, we have a bouldering wall, which is managed by the students, and a wellness center, which is included as part of your tuition.
Hi, Claudia.
Hey, Joel. Over here, we have the group workout room, which is also part of the wellness center. We have yoga mats, exercise videos, and sometimes we host classes like martial arts. This golf practice facility was completely funded by donors and includes a state-of-the-art TrackMan. The King Center also has 2 racquetball courts, which can be rented out by students at any time. The practice gym is half normal basketball floor, and because wintertime exists here in South Dakota, the outdoor athletes need to be able to practice inside with their cleats and running spikes. This room is also used for the career fair, where 150 different employers come to hire our students, and for various intramural sports like basketball and archery tag. We're now entering the main gym, where all home basketball and volleyball games take place. We're part of the Rocky Mountain Athletic Conference, and all home games are free for students to attend. The students can also get free popcorn from the concession stand. I play the clarinet, not basketball. As we enter the CAT lab in the mechanical engineering department, we'll get to see students working on the Baja car and clean snowmobile. These multidisciplinary teams allow students to problem solve and work together to complete engineering projects. This lab space is home to the friction stir welder. What this machine does is can take 2 different types of materials, heat them up, mix them together to create one seamless piece. The other machines here test material properties and allow students to have a very hands-on experience. This side of the lab focuses on more civil-centered projects, like the concrete canoe and steel bridge, which are also part of that camp program, which allows students to work together instead of against one another. Here in the 3D print design lab, we have a dynamo, which measures torque and output power. We also have 6 3D printers, some of which are dual extrusion and some are single extrusion, but all of them are available for student use. This is the Palmerton Connolly Common Space. It's connected to 2 of the freshman dorms and is available for students to study, work on group projects, or just hang out. This is a Palmerton double dorm. All of the rooms have heating and air conditioning, and all of the beds have the ability to be locked in. Now we've made our way to Peterson, the 3rd freshman dorm building, where these study quads are available. They consist of a living space and a bathroom, which split off into 2 double bedrooms. Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome to a Peterson double, which, like all other dorms, you're able to bring your own fridge, microwave, and other appliances. This is one of the Peterson quads. You can see these girls are hard at work, but if you ever need any extra help, there's an RPM or residential peer mentor in all the dorms, which have been trained to help you with your classes. Now we're at the front desk of the Surbeck Center, the main hub here on campus. There's residence life services, student accounts, and the mail room. So as long as you live here on campus, you'll have your own mailbox. Down this hallway of the Surbeck Center is a Student Success Center, which has plenty of tutoring opportunities, one of which is the Sunday Crunch, which is late night Sunday tutoring with free cereal. They also help organize the first-year peer mentor program. Now we have the counseling office, which has plenty of different services if you need to vent or if you're feeling down about anything. And then, last but not least, we have the Dean of Students office as well as the Career and Professional Development Center, which can help you build your resume, work on mock interviews, or negotiate a salary. The front half of the rocker shop here has plenty of merchandise and apparel and anything you may need with Grubby's face on it. Whereas in the back we have the bookstore, where all the textbooks are organized by class and class section, so you'll never have trouble finding what you need. Now we're here in Lower Surbeck, which is home to the K-Tech, the on-campus radio station, as well as the Center for Inclusion, which works on increasing diversity around campus. We also have student engagement, which fosters a sense of community through events like free ice skating and bowling, as well as the Ivanhoe International Center, which has resources for international students and information on study abroad programs. Lower Surbeck also houses Grubby's Game Room, which is a space for students to just hang out and have fun. Last but not least, we have the Student Association Senate office, which is the student government here on campus. The Hard Rock Dining Hall always has a fruit and salad bar, as well as the grill station, which has things like burgers, fries, and chicken sandwiches. But if you're in the mood for something new, the home cook station has different food at every meal. Today, we have an ice cream sundae bar as well. Not only is this esports practice facility the first in the state of South Dakota, we were also the first school in the state to offer scholarships for varsity esports like League of Legends, Dota 2, Overwatch, and Rocket League. If that doesn't really suit your fancy, this room is open to all students 7 days a week. Here in the Chemical and Biological Engineering and Chemistry building, this one-of-a-kind unit ops labs allows chemical engineering students of all grade levels to have a hands-on experience by performing experiments using a plethora of different instrumentations and design processes. Our electrical engineering department features this flight simulator, which was built as part of a senior design project in 2015. As a result of that, 2 of the students received jobs in avionics, and now we're teaming up with Garmin to make sure our simulator stays up to date. This is a pretty typical sized classroom here in the McLaury building. The student to faculty ratio is 15:1, but the average class size is 22 students. Now we've made our way to a lecture hall here in the classroom building. This room can typically fit 122 students, but you're only really going to see these lecture halls your freshman, sophomore year. As your classes get more major specific, your class sizes do tend to get smaller. This arch marks the center of campus. It's made out of bricks from the 3 original buildings here at the School of Mines. You can do a 360-degree turn from here and see pretty much every building on campus. Right behind me is the library. Next to that is Mineral Industries. Then we have Chemical and Biological Engineering and Chemistry, followed by Electrical Engineering and Physics. We have the O'Hara building right behind me. The next to that is the Mechanical and Civil Engineering building. We have the Classroom building, the McLaury building, and last but not least, the Surbeck Center. I've been thrilled to give you this quick tour of campus. I encourage you to schedule your own personal visit so you can see it for yourself. While you're here, you'll not only get your own campus tour, but you'll also get to talk to faculty of programs you're interested in, as well as ask your admissions counselor any questions from scholarships to outdoor activities in the area. So schedule your visit today.